Sadly, I had lost my castle, but I don't know why. Wait, is that a village? Oh my god, it's a village! It's a village! Okay, I'm going to rebuild my castle. In 3 days, not 3 days, wait a minute. Why this grass is... Shit. Okay, I'm going to rebuild my castle. Chicken, why are you irritating me while speaking? This chicken is real dumb. So I'm going to rebuild my castle. So not that my before castle. I didn't record that castle. So let's go to village and speak about other. So I don't know why I'm collecting dirt. Okay. I'm collecting dirt because I'm going to do like Dream. Dream is such a pro Minecraft player. So I'm going to do like him. So I don't know how to do. So 3, 2, 1. It's my dream power. I'm pro. I'm pro. So okay, let's check any loot. No loot. Now let's take all the carrots like pro. Yes, that's a pro giri. Potatoes. Okay, hey villager, do you want to eat potatoes? No, eat vegetables. I don't eat vegetable, but you have to eat. Okay. Any best house with super hyper supreme loot? There are no. I knew it. There are no loots at all in this village. Wait. It's a blacksmith house. I know I will get iron, so I came here. I knew it. How does Pro take wood? Pro takes wood in the house. Okay, it's great. Now let's make a crafting table and sticks. Let's make stone pickaxe. Wooden pickaxe. Pro style. Okay, I had take 7 now. Now let's make stone tools. Okay, I had made 2 stone tools. I didn't make full stone tools because I have nothing. Wait a minute. Let's take wood. I can make more tools. Now let's make planks. Now the style of going inside of the house is so pro style. How do pro go inside of the house and loot all the chest? Wait a minute, I want two furnace because pro does not make any furnace. Yes, I knew it. Pro does not make any furnace. Pro style going inside of a house. Doraemon's anywhere door. Wait, diamonds. I got diamonds. It's my luck. I know it's my luck. I knew there are diamonds. Okay, I have got 4 diamonds, 1 iron ingot. Okay, wait. I saw that myth. There are a chest in top of that blacksmith house. So let's go. Okay, I will get any loot. I know it's a chest. I guess there are iron or copper. I know it. I will nothing get. It's all waste of my time, bro. I don't know why I'm baking all this pickaxe and okay. Wait, diamonds. Diamonds. Today I'm getting diamonds and diamonds. So let's go and take the brewing stand because it will use in future when I will become hyper pro with full netherite armor. Come on. It's not coming. I don't know. It's a glitch. Not glitch. It's a problem. I'm going to take that sugar cane. So in that I'm going to make a big automatic sugar cane farm that's full. That will be bigger than this village. Okay, I'm going to take this village hay bales. Okay, I want terracotta because to make glazed terracottas. Sorry villager, I have to take your terracottas. Wait, what is that? What's that? There are more. Okay, there are new animals added like glow squid and axolotls. I want to catch that axolotl because that is so cute. So, okay, glowing sack, I knew it. I had played this update before. Okay, let's make bread. I guess I will get 27 in my calculation. Okay, it's my perfect calculation. So I get 27. Now let's go and out. And let's check any loots are there in this village. I had took. Wait, I have idea. A brand new idea. Let's kill iron golem and get more iron. Let's go. Iron golem. Where is iron golem? Okay, he's that side, I guess. I didn't take that house. Yes, I really didn't take that house. Any loot? Okay. There is loot. Okay, 30. One apple. Now let's find golem. I finally find you, golem. Today is your death day. Okay. Ouch. Why? There are no chests. Why? There should be chest. No loot. Okay, there is loot. I knew it. Okay, 3 apples, 36 potatoes, and 31 breads. Let's go. Hey, Takla villager. Okay. There are so much grasses. Let's make my castle here. I'm going to clean the. Okay, I'm going to clean this grass. Wait a minute, what's that? Okay. This is a big mountain. Oh my god. How large is it? I guess it's added in Cave and Cliffs of Death. It's such a big mountain ever I had seen. So we will go this in next video, but not in this video. So I want this flower to make my favorite color bed. So let's make a quick shovel. Should I make diamond? No, I'm going to make iron only. Okay, now let's clean this area because I hate dirt. Okay. There are so much dirt. Okay, now I have to view this area. First, wait a minute. I have to view this area while being night. Okay. Okay, 99 candidates. Okay. It's enough to make. I'm going to take that mountain. It's enough to make a big, huge castle. I'm going to take all these small doors. This is enough to make a huge castle. Okay, it's being night. I have to go down now. Wait, this night? Why I cannot sleep? Okay, it's my third day. I'm going to take this all dirts. Okay, it's so tiring work ever to build my castle. Last time I did such a tiring work, but this is more tiring than before. I lost. Now see my XP of my shovel. It's going to die now. My shovel is going to die. There are Gada. Gada, can I ride with you? Come on. Thank you, Gada. You are great. Why did you put me down? You rubbish. Yes. Strike 2, strike 3, and strike 4. Understood? You understood, Gada. So I'm going to fill this area because it's good looking. Okay. Let's fill all this area, empty areas. Okay. So it's better. Let's take all the grass bush. Okay, I'm going to fill this area too. There are so much. I guess it's natural growing. I just clean up here. Okay, let's clean this area also. I'm going to make my castle 20 by 20. Yeah, see that cow is dancing. This cow is dancing. Okay, my shovel grew up, so I knew my shovel will die. I made another shovel. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe. Have fun.